Cubism is an art movement that originated in the early 20th century, particularly in France, and is known for its unique style that emphasizes geometric shapes and multiple perspectives. Cubism is an art movement that emerged in the early 20th century, pioneered by artists such as Pablo, Picasso, and Georges Braque. Cubist art is characterized by the use of geometric shapes, such as cubes, cones, and spheres, to represent objects and figures. The movement sought to break away from traditional artistic styles and techniques and to create a new form of visual expression. Cubist paintings often feature multiple viewpoints and perspectives, creating a sense of movement and dynamism within the image. The movement had a significant impact on art and design, influencing everything from fashion and architecture to literature and music. Cubism was also closely associated with the development of new technologies such as photography and cinema. The movement had a lasting impact on the art world, influencing subsequent artistic movements such as Surrealism and Abstract Expressionism. Some of the most famous works of Cubist art include Picasso's Les Demoiselles d'Avignon and Braque's The Portuguese. Cubism is often seen as a key moment in the development of modern art, paving the way for a range of new artistic styles and movements. Today, the legacy of Cubism can be seen in a range of artistic practices, from contemporary painting and sculpture to digital art and design. Subscribe for more.